Welcome back to the channel, y'all. We got a special guest here. This is my boy Ayo, okay guys? And I'm about to start a new hair growth series with short hair, all right? Okay, the first step of hair growth, you gotta know how to pick your hair, how to manage your hair. Y'all be picking your hair, breaking everything. That's why it's not growing, all right? So the proper way to pick your hair, okay? First, you gotta start with some water, okay? Just damp your hair. Okay, I'm not talking about soak your hair, just dampening your hair, okay? With a little spray bottle. If you don't have one, follow the link below. Use your fingers, right, to just loosen the knots. Okay, gently loosen the knots with your fingers. So go from the root and just loosen it slowly and split apart the hairs with your fingers. Okay, don't rake your hand through. That's the whole point of this. Don't rake your hand through. Just split those knots. Now, leave-in conditioner. Okay, just get that through. Just imagine yourself trying to immerse the leave-in conditioner all throughout your hair. So how can you do that? You can start with parts, start with sections, and just get it through, massage it through, okay, from the bottom to the top. Make sure you get it in there and it penetrates, okay? And then the finger detangle again while you're doing that, okay, to get it through all the hair strands. Very important, okay? Y'all should even know this by now, if I'm being honest. This is a major key right here, major key, okay? So, you know, my boy's hair's already feeling nice. He's already like, what? Like, I didn't know my hair could even feel like this. His hair came in crusty. We're gonna get him right. And listen, never start detangling from the root of your hair. Y'all know this, okay? When you're finger detangling, you can put your hands in there and split it. But when you're using a comb, you can't split them apart. So don't just put a pick in there and pick your hair out like y'all be doing. I know y'all be doing that still. Y'all need to stop doing that, okay? All you gotta do is start at the ends, okay? Slowly start from the ends and work your way to the root. It takes more time, but this is the better way to do it, especially if you want your hair to grow. Because your hair be growing, but it's not maintaining the length because y'all be raking it all through. And look at that. And before you realize it, you'll be able to rake all the way from the bottom because you started from the top and you loosened all those knots at the top. You still are going to have some shedding of your hair, but not nearly as much as if you were raking it right through. My boy's hair's already looking nice, man. Already looking much more healthy than when he came in. See, we really changing lives out here. Like, we should be on some makeover show or something. Nigga giggling and shit. But yeah, y'all need to remember the name, man. Ayo. And I ain't gonna say his last name because that's some crazy Nigerian last name. But homie's a track athlete. Olympics 2020, whenever the next one is, y'all gonna see homie there. Bingo. As you guys see, eventually, we got through all of his hair. And his hair is tough as nails. All right? This is some true Nigerian hair, bro. Like Lil Wayne said, tougher than Nigerian hair. This is it. This is what we're working with right now. But listen, guys, as long as you trust the process, it will work out for you, okay? This here seems simple, but in reality, it's one of the reasons why a lot of you guys aren't having hair growth. So you need to follow these steps carefully. And remember, it's a daily thing, probably even multiple times in the day. Like I used to be picking my hair out every single day. If you have to pick your hair out, your parents are getting at you saying it's nappy, follow these steps here, do it the right way, and let's maintain that hair length. And this year, New Year's resolution, guys, get your hair long, bro. Life's too short. All right, guys, good luck and God bless in your hair journey as always. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.